Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Section 328 IPC. Whoever administers or makes other persons to take any intoxicating substance with intent to cause harm is punishable for 10 years. That means if you give cocaine or any drug to other person, then you can be punished for 10 years. Section 270 IPC. Any malignant act likely to spread an infection or disease that is dangerous to life. For example, if you have corona and if you do some act which will cause spread of that disease to other people, then that is punishable under section 270 IPC. Two,
thank you and thank you for watching.